Crystal Sonics is a semiconductor manufacturing company which is based in Phoenix, Arizona. The problem they are solving is waste. Traditional semiconductors manufacturing grinds away over 95% of expensive wafers material. With next generation materials like silicon carbide and gallium nitride costing significantly more than standard silicon. These wastes creates a major cost barrier for advanced chip production. Crystal Sonics solves this with sonic lift-off technology. They use acoustic waves to separate SIM devices from their semiconductor base without any material loss. The substrate can be reused multiple times. No grinding, no waste. The surface remains smooth and precise enough for a repeated manufacturing cycle. This matters because advanced semiconductors power the next generation of technology. Electrical vehicles need silicon carbide for efficient power management. Data centers need gallium nitride for high-performance computing. Quantum computers need specified materials that are extremely expensive. When you can reuse these materials instead of grinding them away, you make these technologies economically variable. The challenges they face fall into several categories. First, hardware validation at production scale. Their acoustic and wafer handling systems need to perform consistently under extended operation cycles across different material types. Second is customer demonstration readiness. Semiconductor manufacturers are risk-averse. They need to see the technology working on specific materials before committing. Third is production integration. Their equipment needs to meet clean room standards, interface with existing manufacturing lines, and achieve the throughput and uptime that production facilities require. Fourth is scaling from prototype to production volume while maintaining quality and reliability. Crystal Sonic is supported by the Department of Energy, NASA, and National Science Foundation. Silicon Valley Startup Garage works with hardware startups on exactly these technical execution challenges. When breakthrough companies need hardware validation, demo preparation, or production testing done fast, while their core team stays focused on innovation, that's where we come in. Based on plug and play in Sunnyvale, we handle the rapid execution of technical work that keeps hardware startups moving forward. Hi.
I apologize. I should have bought from a site.
Yeah.